Hello everybody, myself Dr. Rajesh Kumar Garsa, nephrologist from Fortis Escort Hospital, Jaipur. Today we will have a little bit of talk on the kidney. Kidneys are very vital organs for our body. There are two kidneys in everybody, and kidneys main function is filtration of the toxins from our body through the urine, and also to remove extra water from our body through urine, and also it plays important part in the calcium metabolism, vitamin D metabolism, phosphorus metabolism, in help in the formation of the blood in our body. So it's a very vital organ. Because kidney is so vital organ, so we need to care about these kidneys. The major regions of the kidney failure are the diabetes, hypertension, renal stone disease, some congenital disease also can cause the kidney failure, and some other medications like painkillers which can harm our kidneys. We should have the symptoms we discuss. The patient can feel the weakness, decreased appetite, decreased urine output, swelling can occur in the patients, hemoglobin can be low, incidental finding, or the patient have vomitings, some many findings. These are the common symptoms which a patient should be alert whenever he feels such symptoms to be about the kidney disease. The precautions we should take, that you should drink adequate amount of water for your kidney function. You should, if you are diabetic, then you should get proper checkup regularly as advised by your doctor, and also follow the diet as advised by the doctor. If you are having blood pressure, you should control the blood pressure and monitor blood pressure regularly. If you have a stone disease, then you should on regular follow-up and take advice of your doctor regarding the continuous follow-up and regarding the kidney disease investigations. And if any congenital problem is there found in genetics, then you should also consult your doctor immediately and consult about the kidney problem regularly. Apart from that, do not take any medicine without consulting any registered doctor. If you are taking unnecessary medicines from over-the-counter drugs, painkillers in a continuous long time, then you can also have a kidney problem. And regarding treatment, if one's kidney fails once permanently, then your only option is the dialysis and transplant. And dialysis, we have two options: either hemodialysis, which is done at the hospital with machine, blood come out, goes to the machine, blood is filtered, then again re-enters to the body. This can be done only at the hospital, needs 4 hours session, commonly twice or thrice a week according to patient condition. Apart from that, there is another modality of dialysis, that's CAPD, continuous ambulatory peritoneal dialysis, that you can do at your home. This is a very simple process. You can do manually, or there is machines also for it. You need a little bit of operation from hospital, and then you can do it at home regularly. It is done daily, almost daily. And third option and the best option is kidney transplant. If your doctor says that you have a permanent kidney failure, then the best treatment, if available, you can go for it. If there is no any other contraindication, go for kidney transplant. Kidney transplant is the best thing and best treatment. Regarding the myths that it is a commonly successful or not, it is a very successful modality. More than 95% is always successful, and your blood relatives can donate the kidneys for you. Other than that, if a patient can get the kidney from dead patients, like brain dead patients, from the cadaveric donation. So in society also, we have to improve the cadaveric donation to fulfill the gap between the demand and supply of the kidneys for the patients. If everybody thinks in the same way to give and propose for cadaveric donation, many patients will get a benefit and they will improve their life. Life will be better for that. And last message is that very important is, first, protect your kidneys, eat lot of water, have regular checkups. If you have some disease, then also follow the doctor's advice properly. Second, if you found out with kidney disease, then you follow the medications, follow the diet pattern, follow the every periodically checkups. And if you have got the kidney failure, then follow the dialysis properly. If you can go for transplant, go for transplant. That is the best thing. And now Kidney Day is approaching on 11th of March. Every year we celebrate the International Kidney Day. And this year's theme is living well with kidney disease. So if you have kidney disease, don't think everything is over. You can get a healthy lifestyle. You can go to the work and get dialysis also in between if you required, or the medicine if you required, or the transplant. With all these things, you can lead a simple normal life. Your quality of life can improve even after your kidney failure by proper treatment. So protect your kidneys, Keep your kidneys healthy and living well with kidneys disease also. Thank you.